Hey, what's going on, everybody? This is Alan Anthony from Phone Tech at Work, and today we have a tempered glass installation video for the Google Pixel 5a, and it comes to us from Mr. Shield, one of my favorites. So let's start the video, show you what I'm talking about. Alright guys, so here we have the tempered glass from Mr. Shield. I did actually pick this up from Amazon myself, so I will have a link down below if you guys want to pick this up. So you do have the lifetime warranty. You guys can get an exchange if you want to. It's pretty simple how to take this out. So you have a little tab on the back that says open. I always go with Mr. Shield. Sometimes they're good, sometimes they're great, and sometimes they're bad, but I always give them a shot than everyone else. So there's what was that, 3 different ones here? Okay, so you got three little here, and this one doesn't have a tab for some reason. So it has a tab, but it's under the sticker. So let's just slide all this out. Alright, so I do like Mr. Shield because they give you more than just one. On the inside here, stop for installing. You guys could probably pause that and read for yourself if you guys could make that out. It says to watch their easy online installation video, but you guys are here, so you guys don't have to watch that video. So protected by the Mr. Shield, no hassle lifetime replacement. So this is basically a kit of how to clean up your device, what to use when you're using it. So usually you have a few things with every kit. So you have your dust removal stickers, and you have your bubble removal, and you have the big dust removers if you want to do it at a bigger time, a bigger screen time, whatever. And you have your alcohol pet pad. So very simple. One thing about the Pixel phones and iPhones, they're really super easy if you want to put a tempered glass on there because it has a flat surface. Now if you have a Fold, or if you have a Samsung that have the curved edges, like the TCL 20 Pro 5G that has the curved edges, the S21, the S21 Ultra I meant, then you have an issue with that. But very simple when it comes to the Pixel. So what I always suggest is to always turn off your device, just like so. So you could turn it off and get your alcohol prep pad ready, and you should have a small little microfiber cleaning cloth. If you guys don't have your own, then you could try to use this one, but sometimes it kind of has its own dirt on there, so just try to make it a little bit clean on your own, basically. So you have your alcohol prep pad, you take this out, and you got to make sure that the phone is off. You just have to clean your device, clean it really good, and just make sure you just get all the grease from your hands, or from the case, or from the Cheetos that you just had when you had your ham and cheese and Cheetos. And you have microfiber cleaning cloth. And if you already have scratches on your device, then you might see it a little bit different than how you see it when it's a brand new device. But you should always get a tempered glass the same time that you buy it, especially from Amazon, where you get in a day or so. So let me just take a look at it. Just make sure there's no dust, no dirt, no little hairs, because you will definitely see it. So I usually close one of my eyes and just try to see what it looks like. So you have this part right here, you have to peel that off. Now what I do is I try to eyeball it and just see exactly where the top of the phone starts, especially at that speaker. So I try to hold it steady, just like so. So you do it right below the speaker and just try to drop it the right frame. And if you get it wrong, you can take it off, but it will lose a lot of its stickiness. So just hit the middle, and you should find your way to the winner's circle. You could slowly try to push it with it, and then it's going to follow its way. So with this tempered glass, you don't have to cut out for the camera on the side there, so maybe you might have a little bit of glare. And on the outside, just like so, Now, if you guys are wondering how do I do it so fast, it's because I've been doing these for a very long time on camera, so I'm really used to it. You just gotta push out the bubble. You do have the card. I totally forgot to use the card, but if you want to take out the little bit of hairs right before you place it on, you can actually use the stickers, or you use the big ones. And if you want to use this, you could use that to take out little bubbles, but I didn't get no bubbles, so I just pushed it out with my thumbs, and it looks absolutely perfect. Beautiful. So if you guys want to pick up this tempered glass, I will have a link down below. If you guys like this video, hit it with a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel if you haven't already, and follow Phone Tech at Work for more videos like this of Mr. Shield products and the Google Pixel 5a. Peace and love. I'll see you guys in the next video. Later. Voila.